I just got a cologne at Neiman Marcus. We're about to head to the Bellagio. We're gonna go to the strip today. We're gonna go to the mall. Bellagio, they have like a display every season. So we're gonna go check that out. How do you like Vegas?
Vegas is fucking dope, babe. Viva Las Vegas, babe.
I'm at Feature and they have this cool selection of clothes. A bottom floor and a lower floor. We just left the Feature store. We didn't get anything, but we're about to head to the Fashion Show Mall and go to the street court that I've been wanting to go to. So now we're going into the Fashion Show Mall, but we're going through the Nordstrom entrance. What we came here for. This is the chow mein, orange chicken, and peppered steak. Orange chicken is the best. Some places they'll put too much orange chicken sauce and it just kind of ruins it, but it's perfect. This is a pepper steak. The steak is tender. This is chow mein. How is it? So just got regular ice, regular sugar level, red beans, and boba. This is the honey milk. Some milk tea. It doesn't taste too sweet. It's pretty refreshing. We just got out of the Fashion Show Mall. So I'm going into Neiman Marcus to check out the cologne, but I'm not sure they'll let me video. Is that Baccarat? I just got a cologne at Neiman Marcus. We're about to head to the Bellagio. We might stop and gamble for a little bit. This ain't no middle of the mall shit. About to try some gambling. My friend's gonna make a sports bet, but we're at the Treasure Island. The last machine I'm gonna fuck with. So that bag that you just saw in that video, I lost it. Somebody already took it. It's like $340 lost, plus the $20 that I bet on the casino. Made it in the Bellagio, and I'm still kind of mad about that whole $350 loss.
On the crest of a wave, an angel's flame. Paradise waits. On the crest of a wave, an angel's flame. Paradise waits. On the crest of a wave, an angel's flame. Paradise waits. On the crest of a wave, an angel's flame. Waits. On the crest of a wave, an angel's flame. Paradise waits. On the crest of a wave, an angel's flame.